Welcome back to Azim USA, your trusted source for breaking news and global health updates. I'm your host, bringing you the latest information that matters to you and your family. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our important updates. What's happening right now in China is something the world needs to pay attention to. We're talking about a massive outbreak of the chikungunya virus that's spreading rapidly across southern China, and the CDC has just issued a travel warning for Americans. The numbers are staggering. Chinese health officials have confirmed over 8,000 cases since June 2025, with the epicenter being Foshan City in Guangdong Province, a massive city of almost 10 million people. The outbreak has now spread to nearby Hong Kong, Macau, and even reached Hunan Province over 400 miles north. What makes this virus so concerning? Chikungunya isn't just your typical fever. It's a mosquito-borne illness that causes debilitating joint pain that can last for weeks, months, or even years. The virus is transmitted by Aedes aegypti and Aedes albopictus mosquitoes, the same ones that spread dengue and Zika. China's unprecedented response. The Chinese government isn't taking any chances. They're deploying drones to spray mosquito repellent, releasing thousands of larvae-eating fish into ponds, and requiring patients in Foshan to stay in hospitals with mosquito net-protected beds. Workers are literally spraying people with repellent before they enter buildings. Global impact. This isn't just China's problem. The European Centre for Disease Prevention and Control reports 240,000 global cases across 16 countries this year, with 90 deaths. The CDC has issued travel warnings not just for China, but also for Bolivia, Kenya, Madagascar, Sri Lanka, and several other nations. Symptoms to watch for. If you develop fever, severe joint pain, headache, muscle pain, joint swelling, or rash, especially after travel, seek medical attention immediately. While rarely fatal, this virus can leave people disabled for months or years due to chronic joint pain. Protection measures. There are 2 approved chikungunya vaccines in the US as of 2023, but they're not available in China yet. Your best defense? Prevent mosquito bites with repellent, long-sleeve clothing, and stay in air-conditioned spaces. Why this matters to you? With global travel being so common, what happens in China doesn't stay in China. This outbreak reminds us how quickly mosquito-borne diseases can spread and why we need to stay informed and prepared. That's the latest on the chikungunya virus outbreak in China. Knowledge is power, and staying informed helps keep you and your loved ones safe. If this video helped you understand this important health situation, please show your support by buying a super thanks, super stickers, super chat, or consider becoming a member, all of which directly supports Azim USA and helps us bring you more crucial updates like this. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and share it with someone who needs to know about this. I'll see you in the next video with more news that matters. Stay safe, stay informed, and thank you for watching Azim USA.